Ooh. Also, also smells good. Not really fishy anymore. Just like nice, like, ooh, yeah. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated. From quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at Carnivore Girl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Hello, I'm Carnivore Girl. Welcome to my Creative Carnivore Kitchen. So today I wanna salt cure salmon, dry out salmon, but in the fridge. I've done RT dried lamb steaks or room temperature dried lamb steak. Here's the recipe. Before I've done that with many other beef cuts and lamb, and so delicious. But now I've done it with fish, so now with salmon I want to put it in the fridge. So I do the exact same, but I want to put it in the fridge instead of leaving out at room temperature. So I have this beautiful piece of salmon here, but I just realized, ooh, it has skin on. What I prefer always fish with skin. But I actually wanted to do that experiment without skin. But hey, okay, so we have skin. Let's do both. Cut the piece. So this is already ready to go. Here I want to take the skin off. Okay, so let's start with the thicker part. I'm sure there are many ways to take the skin off. Oh, look, this looks, oh, there's still some, I don't like this anyways. There's still some bone in it, fish bone or whatever. Okay, let's see. Here I can kind of start it with my hand. Yeah, I really don't like this part here. So now how I usually do it is like I kind of, to hear it, I don't know if you can hear it, but I rip off the skin. So I'm not cutting, basically I just pull it down. See? Well now, oh yeah, really just the skin comes off. It's like perfect actually. Sometimes hard to hold on to the skin because it's very slippery. Yeah, here I knew it would be more difficult. So here try to see, like, scrape off the flesh. So we're not really using any flesh. Well, of course, don't throw this away. You can make salmon skin chips out of it, like dehydrate it or whatever, fry it in fat. Super delicious. I love skin, fish skin. Oh, nice. Okay, here it's really nice. Smells good. Yeah, cool. Okay, so let's go with what I actually want to do. For some reason I always use the plastic plates for that. So room temperature drying out, I put a paper towel on here. I don't think, or should I do that too with this? I'm gonna start like this. Maybe after some days I put one underneath it. So it's just super easy. Just salt it all over. Like really nicely salted. I really want to salt it, you see, everywhere. So, salt it all over. Same with that one. I'm really curious how it will turn out with the skin. So, salt everywhere nicely. So, okay, and now we just put it in the fridge and let it dry out. As I said, I'm gonna leave it like this. Maybe I will put a paper towel underneath it after some days. How long I'm gonna do that, I don't know yet. Of course, then I will show you the result. But what I'm gonna do, once or twice a day, I'm gonna flip these. I can show you really quickly what I'm actually doing right now. I don't know, it's already quite a while, you see. Ooh, that's actually, ready to eat. It's the first time I've done that with heart. A piece of beef heart on purpose with nice fat. So you can see, that's how I usually do it. Room temperature, and then twice a day, I just flip it over. But yeah, this is ready to eat. I'm super excited for that. But today is about salmon. So here, same concept, but maybe another time I will do it at room temperature with fish, with salmon. For right now, I'm a bit worried. I don't know. I just feel more comfortable doing it in the fridge. I've also done it in the fridge with meat before. It just takes longer. I prefer it at room temperature. But okay, so this goes in the fridge, and once or twice a day I will turn them over, and yeah, I see you when they're done. I'm really excited for that. 6 days later. So you remember the salmon we put in the fridge? Salted and put in the fridge. So it's been 6 days and it looks so good. I'm really lucky. I live in Reno, Nevada, and it's really super dry here. So I could actually also leave it out on the counter. But I didn't do it. It was in the fridge the whole time, and I just flipped it over like twice a day. And but yeah, if you live somewhere where it's humid, don't leave it out on the counter for too long because it will go bad. But I think I'm gonna try that, to leave it out on the counter too, because here where it's so dry, humidity 20%, if even, probably lower, much lower, so that could work totally fine too. But look, it looks so beautiful. That one with skin, other one without skin. So now I want to try it, of course. So you can see. First the one, this has like, still like, it's not the skin, but it's like some, like right underneath the skin, there's still something on it. Nice. And a piece from with the skin. Yeah, you should have a sharp knife. That's what I was afraid of. I don't know if it was a good idea to leave the skin on. So, and here's the one with skin. So, without skin first. Still really, really cold. But because it's from the fridge. Oh yeah. So the outside here is like a bit how should I say that? I mean, it's totally dried out, so it's like, it's really cool. It's a bit harder. But then the inside here, you know, where I cut it here, the inside is really soft, like totally soft, and yeah. I'm like thinking, it actually tastes similar to lachs, like gravid lachs. This is what I'm talking about. Ingredients: smoked sockeye salmon, salt. So yeah, smoked, of course. We didn't put any smoke in there, smoke flavor, or smoked it or whatever. But yeah, I also, of course, I don't buy anything with nitrates or sugar or whatever, so really just smoke, salmon, and salt. So it tastes similar to that. And that one, blah, with the skin, I'm kind of worried if I'm able to eat the skin. Actually, skin. Okay. I learned, do it without the skin. Yeah, do it without the skin. Don't worry, even this I'm not gonna throw away. Either I torch it or I fry it or whatever, so I can still eat it. But oh my gosh, this is super delicious. And yeah, this just has like a smoky flavor to it, so it's maybe a bit more heavier, not heavy, but like, you know, this actually, I almost think I like this better, because I always loved lachs, even as a kid. I always loved lachs, but it's like, I like raw salmon even better, because it's not so, raw salmon I could eat every day. This, well, I kind of could eat every day, but then I would get sick of it. And this I could eat every day again. It's it's nice to have a, you know, differences, to have changes, differences, like variety. That's what I wanted to say. But I think I prefer this. Because the smoke can kind of, also the smoky flavor can kind of overpower. I prefer that. But yeah, definitely do it without the skin. Super delicious. I'm gonna do that more often. And that's also like great. I can put those in the, as like salted all over, put it in the fridge, and then every day I could eat a little bit from it, because every day it just dries out even more. So I can put those back in the fridge and for another week, for more. I mean, it's not gonna get bad, it just gets more dried out. But I really like 6 days is really good, because it's like really nice dried out here, but here it's still like oh, that's my from my lipstick. I was like, what the fuck, why is it purple? So yeah, and in the middle it's still very soft. I like this. Maybe 2-3 more days, or yeah, you can eat it in any stage you want. Okay, great. that was my experiment. That was my episode for this time. Super happy with it. Gonna do it more often. Subscribe, share, comment, like or not, or don't, or hate, or whatever. You know the drill. I see you next time. Bye. And I'm gonna enjoy this now. Ooh. Elsa? Elsa smells good. Not really fishy anymore. Just like nice. Like, ooh, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @Carnivore Girl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.